Hello, everyone. So we are starting a new word list, and that's for only advanced learners. If you are quite confident about your vocabulary power, and if you know a lot of words, and if you say, "Okay, it is time for me to move forward," and we have to take a look at those words. And I will tell you from the very beginning, the words that we are going to practice is actually we will not use them in daily life. But when you are reading a newspaper, when you are listening to a news, and when, for example, a knowledgeable politician, when they're talking, so you will hear those words. If you want your English to be really advanced, I think that is this kind of practices will help you to really advance. And my reference, I can say these are SAT vocabulary. So if you are also preparing for those type of exams, these kind of practices will definitely help you. Now, cut it short and go ahead and start pronouncing the words. So, abase, abate, abdicate, abduct, aberration. So we are going to say this one more time, and then I'm going to move on to the next couple of slides, of course. Abase, abate, abdicate, abduct, aberration. Okay, so go ahead and try to use them in sentence. As usual, that's what we do, right? So, abase, meaning to humiliate or degrade someone, to lower a person's dignity. So that is something really base, a base, a base. A strong teacher should never abase a student in front of the class. Instead, she should correct mistakes with patience and respect. Let's read it again. A strong teacher should never abase a student in front of the class. Instead, she should correct mistakes with patience and respect. You're gonna see the Turkish translation right over here. The defeated leader felt abased after the public criticism, but he later rebuilt his confidence by accepting responsibility and working honestly. Again, we go back to the word abase, right? So let's read the next one. When people use cruel jokes to abase others, they damage trust, create fear, and make a learning environment feel unsafe. So I really hate those people who are trying to abase others. Okay, so it is something really bad. So let's look at here. How do we pronounce it? Abate, abate. So we short fall here like bait, bait. Okay, so after the heavy rain began to abate, the runners returned to the track and continued their practice with careful steps. The principal waited for the noise in the hallway to abate before he calmly explained the new school rule. Daily reading can abate students' fear of difficult vocabulary because repeated practice makes unfamiliar words feel normal and useful. So, this is quite important, and I totally 110% I agree with this. So, I will read this again. So, daily reading can abate students' fear of difficult vocabulary because repeated practice makes unfamiliar words feel normal and useful. Okay, now we are going to move on to the next word, abdicate. 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 Okay, abdicate. So, the king decided to abdicate his throne when he realized that his people needed a peaceful transition more than another conflict. Okay, I'm gonna read this again because I want to talk about it. The king decided to abdicate his throne when he realized that his people needed a peaceful transition more than another conflict. So this never happens in real life, right? They really love to stick with the throne, and it is almost impossible to abdicate them. Okay, so let's move on. A leader should not abdicate responsibility when problems appear. Real leadership means staying calm and solving issues with courage. Okay? So when parents completely abdicate decisions about screen time, children may struggle to build discipline, balance, and healthy study habits. So, okay, guys, so don't abdicate yourself. If you are monitoring kids, of course, even ourselves, right? We have to check on ourselves. Screen time is so bad, it's everybody's problem. Now, abduct. We are going to give a greater stress on the part duct. Abduct. Okay? So, in the adventure story, the villain tried to abduct the princess from the castle, but her friends followed the clues and rescued her. Okay, so one more time, in the adventure story, the villain tried to abduct the princess from the castle, but her friends followed the clues and rescued her. Okay, so if you're going to check on the words, some the important words here, guys, emphasized by using different colors, and the corresponding pairs here in Turkish also using like different colors. So I hope it's going to help you to figure out the words. Okay, so the police trained the community to recognize warning signs so people could respond quickly if someone attempted to abduct an animal or person. The science fiction movie showed aliens attempting to abduct a cow, which made the serious word easier for students to remember. Okay, so, one more time. Let me read it one more time. The science fiction movie showed aliens attempting to abduct a cow, which made the serious word easier for students to remember. So that was for you guys. Okay, so aberration. So we are going to see this double R. We have to develop those double R a little bit. Okay, so give more emphasis. Okay, aberration. Okay, so the one red apple among many green apples was an aberration, so everyone noticed it immediately in the display. A perfect score after months of low results was not an aberration. It showed that the students' discipline practice finally worked. Scientists treat usual data as a possible aberration until more evidence proves whether it is an error or an important discovery. Okay, again, scientists treat usual data as a possible aberration until more evidence provides whether it's an error or an important discovery. So these were the words. I hope you are going to study well. So again, these words are advanced words. Okay, they are going to be a little bit more difficult, but if you practice every day, couple of times, these everything is going to be easy, guys. It only depends on how much practice you make. Okay, so abase, abate, abdicate, abduct, aberration. Okay, so that's it. Hope to see you again.